Welburn has a love affair with cars that began in his father's Philadelphia body shop. That passion drove him to General Motors, where after 36 years, he is the highest-ranking African-American in the auto industry. His fondness for Camaros began with the 1969 Coupe, which remains a favorite in his personal collection.
Yeah, wherever I go, and I have French windows up, I have to look at that one again. There's always someone who pulls up and wants to ask about the car when they talk about it. They just see the car, it's just something that they have this emotional reaction to it.
Against the backdrop of cultural upheaval, Camaro sold a promise of freedom, power, speed, and youth.
Camaro, firing new creation from Chevrolet.
In 1967, it was a powerful message, but not an original one. Ford Mustang got there in 1964. It took GM almost